No. Wasn't supposed to start this. Yeah, enjoy this video, bud.
Alright, we got Vaughan's fucking cold start here, bud. We got a gay fucking LML Duramax. Fucking mint! Woo! Fuck yeah, bud!
Fucking mint, bro!
Woo! Yeah, boys! Abused daily like a good dirty whore.
Shocker, bro.
You know, shocker for faggots, huh? Shindy. Shindy. Dirty Dinah. Hey, Dirty Dinah. I'm Dirty Dan. Boom.
That's gonna be a fuck video.
Yeah. Now that our camera guy woke up, thank you, Vaughan, from his fucking nap. Well, we're gonna fire her up. Oil's changed. We got no quality art or Rotella T6. Fuck those fucking Facebook motherfuckers.
Fuck Schaefer's.
Fuck Schaefer.
Oh, we're letting her warm up now. Cooling time setting at 134. Oils at 130. Turbo boost and negatives.
Oh, that's fucking good.
Yeah, we got the vacuum.
Maybe it's on backwards?
Yeah, we put the turbo on backwards. We got negative 0.14 boost there every now and then.
Wow.
Yeah, so if you're looking for negative boost, you know, helps with braking. And she's bone stock. EGR and everything. Muffler. Got it all.
Yeah, bone stock. Yep. Yep.
And, just for the credits later, you know, we do have EGRs on all of our vehicles. Actually,
full emissions. Absolutely.
Yes.
Fully emission equipped. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, it only blows smoke because I turned up the pump because it's a P pump.
Right.
We turned the fuel up a little bit. Fuel pump's maxed out. You know.
She's fucking mint.
All mechanical.
Mechanical fuel pump, mechanical fuel system, common rail, P pump, and it's got a common rail, P pump, and an H pop. Now, if you don't know anything about oil, she's getting lots of fucking oil.
You can put everything on, you can't go wrong.
What he said is 100% true. So she'll never run out of oil.
All the fuel.
There's our sales guy's truck. 6'4". Hell yeah, buddy. 6'4", baby! You ready?
Yeah, buddy.
Alright. Woo! I dig it. Alright, boys, we gotta do a celebration.
Shitbox, bro.
You're gay. Fuck.
Ramps are for pussies.
Ramps.
baby.
What up, fellers?
This is terrible.
Isn't that good? Look at all this traffic, dude. Fuck 'em.
We're gonna get kicked out before we even get here.
Guaranteed. I should be hanging out the fucking window.
This is just a package.
They're like, you got
In Mexico.
Oh, we lost the lid.
I don't know if we'll be able to do this enough time. Railroad track. So we got here by Ugan?
It says 35, so we'll do double that at 70.
70.
Okay?
Let's see what we got, bitches.
Hang on, boys. Oh, God. Happy Turkey Day, fuckers! If you don't chew Copenhagen, fuck you.
All right.
Scared me.
Are you fucking kidding me? Get the fuck off there.
Hey, proudly sponsored by Bush Beer.
Bush Light.